Hello, my friends. Here's the almost dried result of the video you're about to watch. I wasn't crazy about it as I finished it up, but now that it's almost dry and I've got it on a clean background, I'm kind of liking it. I think it's kind of a spooky autumn painting, and I think it's rather intriguing. So I guess it's worth showing you what I went through to get it to this point. So without further ado, let's get to it. And now let's get to today's. I'm trying some colors, getting away from blue. I use so much blue, I love it, but I thought I would break the mold and try some warm colors, being autumn here. So I've got Creative Inspirations Vermilion, got a Arteza Pearl Papaya Orange, very pretty. And look, I'm using pink. This is called Pearl Pink Tulip by Arteza. They sell a set of these little 22 mil tubes, and it's a really nice way to go. You can see what colors you really like and then buy them in larger tubes. That's a pretty one. And I've got some Cad Yellow Deep by Soho. Then I wanted a darker value. This one's pretty dark, but these three are very similar in value, meaning the lightness or darkness. And I have to have something dark for contrast, so I mixed up some Cad or Vermilion with some raw umber and then a little bit of red. So that's my dark value. I hope I don't regret that. I think it looks fine with those, but I don't want it mixing with my white, which is Satin Enamel. These are all mixed, 2 parts Floetrol, 1 part paint, and a half a part of water, except the Satin Enamel, I didn't add any water to it. It's pretty good consistency as is. And that's it. And no other brand of white added to this, just Satin Enamel and Floetrol. I've had success with that before. So, oops, I forgot a cup. Okay. And here we go. I think I'll start with the Vermilion. Maybe this pearl. And then I'll add the bit of cloud mix. And the deep yellow. Pink. Brown. Pink and brown, that always reminds me of 31 Flavors ice cream, doesn't it? They're advertising. Turn that cup around and pour on this side. I may be mixing up the order a little bit, not sure, but that's okay. I just want to keep the brown away from the white as much as I can. One more layer. And I'll pour that all in. Pink. Okay, and why not? All right, I'm going to pour the cloud mix on here just because I don't have much left, and why not? We'll give it a little puddle to start in. Okay, here we go. Making a bit of a spout. I'm just going to do, for the most part, a straight pour right in the center. Where's the cloud mix? It either sank or it's melding in. I guess it's kind of blending in with these other colors. Okay. Not a lot of cloud effect, but certainly looks like fall, doesn't it? Let me hit it with a torch. I got some green where the, probably where the orange and the reddish, or maybe the brown mixed, but I don't mind that. Oops, one of my, uh-oh, that's a problem. One of my my push pins came out. Let's see if I can push it back in without turning this over. Oh dear. I think it's in there pretty good. All right, time to move it around. A little cloud effect there. Well, anyway, the green, I like it. I think it looks pretty with the orange. And if you're doing a fall thing, you got to have a little green in there still. Let's try not to lose it all. The dangerous thing about using these colors, and I'm not liking it. I am not liking it because I'm having, oh, there goes my green. I am having a problem. The pink and the cloud mix turn into these anatomical, flesh-colored appendages. And I'm not liking that at all. But you see how the dark I added really helps with the composition. If it was just all this without any dark, it would be pretty boring. So you've got to have dark values, and the combination of dark and light to, in my opinion, to get an interesting composition. Tell you, pink is just the bane of my existence. I don't like it, and I don't like what it did here. I like the appearance of these white puffy cloud cells there. I'm going to let this percolate for a little bit. I'll pause the camera and then I'll come back in about 10 minutes and we'll see what we have. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes and it's developed some. I'm not liking it. So before I take it outside and hose it off, I'm going to try something. I have some dark brown here that was standing by, and I've added 1 drop of silicone to it. I'm just going to try swiping that through, especially this pinky area that I don't like, and see if I can't save it with this. If not, adios. Okay, I've just applied it to the palette knife, and there we go. Well, it's not really doing it for me either. Although it's developing nicely in there. Let's hit it with the torch. Whoa! Look at that. That's funny. Maybe it's not so bad. I would like a little more of this dark over here. Let's see, how can I do that? Yeah, maybe I'll just, I won't swipe it, I'll pour it on. That's what I'll do. I'm contemplating if I'm going to show this to you at all. Uh-oh. That was not good. It was kind of looking like a tree. Can I possibly fix that? It's so hard to do what I'm attempting here. Let me look at it from where you are. It's like a tree in hell. No water. Well, I'm stopping. I'm stopping. Let me just bring you in for a closer look. Oh. That brown I just added, though, did have silicone, as you know, so it will develop and create some interesting kind of bumpy branches, which I'm not opposed to. I guess I'll show it to you. If anybody wants this, it's going cheap. Just let me know in the comments below. Thanks, my friends. Bye-bye.